When emergencies strike, being able to cook and sustain yourself with minimal resources can be the difference between thriving and struggling. In this video, we're diving into the art of austere cooking, making the most of what you have to create meals that fuel not just your body, but also your spirit. We'll explore practical survival cooking tips, ensuring you can stay nourished, prepared, and resilient in any situation. The first thing to understand is that survival cooking is more than just making food. It's about embracing adaptability and creativity. The mindset is crucial. Treat every food source as valuable and be willing to think outside the box. Whether it's repurposing ingredients or using unconventional cooking methods, mental flexibility can turn limited supplies into a satisfying meal. In survival situations, aim for high-energy foods that offer maximum nutritional value. This could mean focusing on ingredients like legumes, rice, dried meats, or foraged edibles. The key is to balance macronutrients, proteins for muscle repair, fats for sustained energy, and carbs for quick fuel. Remember, even small additions like powdered milk or nuts can enhance the nutritional content of your meal. Mastering different methods of generating heat is essential. While a standard campfire is reliable, you might not always have that option. Learn to use portable stoves, solar cookers, or even rock heating methods. A simple trick: heat rocks by the fire and use them to keep food warm or slow-cook meals. When supplies are sparse, cooking techniques can make a big difference. Try ash baking for bread, where dough is wrapped in leaves or foil and cooked directly in hot ashes. Experiment with pot-in-pot cooking, a method that conserves water and allows simultaneous preparation of multiple food items. Nothing should go to waste in a survival setting. Use scraps like vegetable peels for broths, which add flavor and nutrients. If you've caught game or fish, don't discard the bones. Boil them to create a mineral-rich broth that can be the base of future meals. Get used to thinking in layers, where each cooking step leads to another. In survival cooking, it's all about using creativity and resourcefulness to make the most of limited supplies. Remember to adopt a resilient mindset, prioritize nutritional balance, understand your heat sources, use inventive cooking methods, and maximize every ingredient. Now that you know these essential survival cooking techniques, put them into practice. Whether you're camping, practicing bushcraft, or just preparing for the unexpected, these tips will help you stay strong and nourished. If you enjoyed this guide, subscribe for more survival tips and skills. Stay safe, stay prepared,